In 1975, a single watt of solar power cost $128. Space program technology, absurdly expensive. Today, about 26 cents, roughly 500 times cheaper. But the how is the part nobody expects. Watch the price fall across 50 years, from space satellites to oil shock research to government subsidies to China building factories at staggering scale, down and down and down. Nothing else in tech has ever fallen this hard. But here's the strange part. Solar's price wasn't really about the calendar, it was about something else. So let's change the bottom of this chart, from the year to the total amount of solar we had ever built. Watch what happens. That messy, curving line snaps almost perfectly straight. The price wasn't really tracking the year, it was tracking experience, every panel we had ever made. And it wasn't random, it followed a rule. Every time the world doubled the solar it had ever built, the price fell about 20%, on this curve closer to 25, like clockwork. They call it Swanson's law, really Wright's law, first spotted in aircraft factories in 1936. It's a flywheel, cheaper panels get built more, and more building makes them cheaper still. About 22 doublings later, solar had fallen 500-fold into the cheapest panels the world had ever seen. But cheap panels aren't the whole story. The panel is now the minority of what a solar system costs. The wiring, the permits, the grid. And then there's storage, for when the sun's down. Cheap modules don't mean energy is solved. And yet, it still won. A unit of solar electricity now runs about 4 cents. Cheaper than coal, cheaper than gas. The cheapest new power our species has ever generated. There's a curve out there that went the wrong way, the cost of inventing a new drug. This is its mirror image. The difference is the flywheel. Build more, learn more, pay less. All on one timeline.